Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you some of my nail products that I recently picked up during Black Friday. Hello, if you don't know me already, I am Nali, licensed nail tech and educator. Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. I wanted to share with you guys some of the nail products that I picked up and a little bit of my thoughts about these products. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, I'm going to be talking about nail brushes. I love trying out different brands of nail brushes because you never know which one will be your favorite. And these are some of the ones that caught my eyes. I have purchased Nails by Deb brushes before, and I want to say that her 9mm one is one of my favorites, so I stocked up on that one. I also got DJ's frame magnetic brush set, and that one comes with 10 brushes in that kit, and I haven't tested it out or taken it out of the box, so I can't wait to try it out and let you guys know how I like them. Next, I'll be talking about some of the clear gels that I got during the Black Friday sale. I stocked up on the Winnie the Pooh base and top. If you haven't seen the review that I did on it, definitely check it out. I'll leave it in the cards. I also got Leaf Gel matte top and the Leaf Gel structure gel. And I love getting the structure gel during Black Friday because the structure gel itself in the 25 gram is $80, and Black Friday is the best time to get it. So I also got the Daimi, I believe is Silly Jello. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it's supposed to create this 3D effect. And you can also use chrome powder on top. So I'm excited to try that out. I thought it was an interesting product, so I wanted to get it and see how it works. Lastly, I got the Magic Gel, which is a foil gel glue. I'm always on the hunt for products like these to test out because so far the best foil gel glue that I've used is from Daily Charm. Well, those are all the clear gels that I got. Finally, let's get into some gel colors. I myself love experimenting with different gel brands, and these were the ones that kind of caught my eyes and made me wanted to purchase them. Here I have the Deja Vu set from Show Me Korea, and it comes with 6 colors, and they have like a pearly shine to them. I did, however, test one color out, and I gotta say that I'm not a big fan of it so far. I also got 2 candy gels, non-white color in black and white. Of course, I got one D-Gel signature color in the color number 59. Now, don't ask me why I only just bought one color from this line. I just saw the green color, and green is my favorite color, and so I decided, hey, let's pick one up. And of course, I got the Daimi foils to go with the Magic Gel. Okay, lastly, I got the limited edition D-Gel Jenny Gel Paints. If you don't know already, D-Gel Gel Paints are one of my favorite. I already have one of the collection, and when I saw this collection, I just knew that I wanted to get my hands on it. I think Zillaboo had it sold out. Some other places had it sold out, and when I saw, I believe Sweetie Nail Supply still had some, I just had to pick. Those are all the products that I picked up for my nail haul. I can't wait to try them out and let you guys know how I feel about them. I say thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.